Today, I'm going to teach you how to rename your Mailchimp audience. This is particularly useful when you need to reorganize your contact lists or want to give them more descriptive names that clearly reflect your campaigns or customer segments. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one by following the on-screen prompts where you'll set up your profile and enter your business details. This initial setup ensures that your Mailchimp workspace is tailored to your specific needs. After signing in, direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll find the Audience option. Click on it to access your Audience page. This is the central hub where all your contacts and subscribers are stored and managed, making it easy to view and organize your mailing lists. Now, from the Audience page, look towards the top right part of your screen. You'll notice a three-dot icon, which serves as your audience configuration menu. Click on this icon to expand a list of additional options. From these expanded options, select Audience Settings. This section contains all the customization tools you need to modify how your audience is set up and displayed. Within the Settings menu, locate the Audience Name section. On the right side of this section, you'll see an Edit button. Click on it to begin the renaming process. This is where you'll be able to change the name of your audience to something more fitting for your current needs. In the Audience Name field, click on the existing name to activate the text editor. Now you can type in your new audience name. Make sure to choose a name that clearly identifies the purpose of this list, such as your organization's name or the specific campaign focus. A descriptive name helps you quickly recognize which audience you're working with, especially if you manage multiple lists. Once you've entered your new audience name and you're satisfied with it, click on Save Audience Name to finalize the change. Your audience has now been successfully renamed, making it easier to identify and manage within your Mailchimp account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.